Good morning. Welcome to another day of Big Pets Under the Hood. Today, I'm working on my Craftsman YT 3000 lawnmower. This morning, I got up to get ready to cut my yard, and it wouldn't move. And this was the culprit right here. Out of the pulley. Gone. See that? It was gone. The belt wouldn't move. It wouldn't drive the transmission. So knew it had to be something. I checked the belt and everything like that and found out that's what it was. And the pulley goes right here. Goes right here. It's one of the idler pulleys for the belt, for the drive belt for the transmission. So if you run into a problem where you're for some reason your where that your mower doesn't want to move, check those idler pulleys, because if those idler pulleys are froze, then it won't let it move, and then that'll be your situation there. So just wanted to, this one here in the back here, this one's moving. This one's moving. It's got another one right here. That one's moving there. That one's moving in the back. This one here is moving, no problem. This one here wasn't moving, and the one in the back is moving. So that was my problem there. So just wanted to let you all know to look at at those idler pulleys, because when they go out, when they freeze up like that, then you're unable to get it. And see, you can see it wore through it pretty good. So that was what the problem was. Just want to let you all know. Have a great day. And if you haven't done so, subscribe, share this video, because it could be a help to somebody else. Like it, comment. Thanks again.